This video, I will show you how to redeem Stick Battles code in Roblox. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Stick Battles on your Roblox application. So from there, go ahead and click on this third button at the left side of your screen below that GIF icon. And in here, you'll be able to enter and redeem game codes that you've found on Discords or like boards. So you can find that on the official Discord group of Stick Battles. So in here, you just need to enter the code, click on that redeem, and the item would be immediately credited into your Stick Battles account, and that is how you can basically redeem Stick Battles code in Roblox.